Welcome to Lesson 6. This is where the ontology becomes real. You're going to create 3 object types: property, work order, and technician, and watch your CSV columns turn into navigable, queryable, and linkable business objects. Foundry gives you a 4-step wizard. Step 1, choose a data source. Step 2, fill in the metadata, name and description. Step 3, map columns to properties and set the primary key. Step 4, configure actions. We'll skip this for now and cover it in Lesson 7. For this bootcamp, you'll use existing data sources since your data is already prepared from Lesson 3 and 4. In a real organization, you might create object types from SQL queries if you need custom filtering or computed fields. Naming matters. Keep names singular. Property, not properties. The system handles pluralization. A clear name helps users understand what the object represents. Step 3 is where the critical description happens. Primary key must be unique. No 2 properties should share the same ID. Title property should be human readable, such as 4521 Camelback Road is better than Prop 001. Primary key can be ugly. Title must be friendly. There are often different columns. We use camel case in the ontology, like property ID, monthly rent, even though the CSV uses snake case. Convention that makes the ontology feel more like a modern API. The process is the same for all 3 object types. Walk through the wizard, verify the types, set primary key and title, save. By the 3rd one, you'll be comfortable with the pattern. Once created, verify in Object Explorer. Search each object type, browse the objects, click into View. Check that the properties and values are correct. 30 seconds here saves hours of debugging later. Think of searchable properties like a library's search system. The book still exists if it's not indexed, but nobody can find it. Make the right fields searchable helps users navigate your ontology. You just created an ontology from scratch. Enterprise architects spend weeks doing this. You did it in 1 lesson. The principles scale from this 3-object project to systems with hundreds of object types. Your 3 object types exist, but they are islands. They don't know about each other. In Lesson 7, we will connect them with links and actions. And by the end of Lesson 7, your ontology will be fully connected and operational. Finish your homework for Lesson 6 and mark complete. I'll see you in the next lesson.